So I watched Without a Crystal Ball, and she did a great thing on like the rift between Justin Baldoni and Colleen Hoover. And apparently, I guess the whole there was a whole disagreement between um, having Riles not be in Lily's life at the end. Um, just seemed like that was the right thing to do because he did not want, they felt like it was not good for the DV survivors to be like, oh, he can just be therapy and be in Lily's life. And it seems that he really did not want to make the sequel after he looked at the big picture. And she got upset because apparently she had a lot of criticism in the books about this. And I think that Justin Baldoni knew that that was a slippery slope. And in his mind, he was like, this doesn't need a sequel. This needs to end. That's where I think Blake Lively came in. Without Rouse, there is no sequel. There's nothing for her to direct, nothing for her to produce, nothing for her to star in. And the minute all those talks started taking place on changing the ending, she was getting her, I don't know, I just feel like all of this came down to him not wanting to do a sequel because he knew Riles being in Lily's life was wrong. And he was willing to bow out of a second film and do right by the DV survivors. And Colleen wanted that movie made. Because if it wasn't made, then it made her wrong in her books.